Early down ramp. There is one thing I want to show you in the options menu which is unique to the TPN therapy. If there is ever a need to ramp a patient down from TPN earlier than is programmed, the pump has a special options feature that will allow this. With the pump running, press the pink options key. Use the down arrow key to cursor down until down ramp off is highlighted. Press no to change this to on. Press yes to confirm that you want it on, and we enter the early down ramp menu. You can change it, or you can leave it at the previously programmed 1 hour. The down ramp will begin immediately once we confirm and accept the options. Change the down ramp time to 30 minutes by pressing 30 and press yes to confirm. Press yes to accept. Recall that we are in the options menu, so press yes to accept the options. The pump will begin ramping the patient off the TPN immediately over the time specified in the early down ramp menu.